Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to validate URL syntax in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all the automation features and can create and manage your flows. After logging in, you'll land on your Power Automate dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for and click on the option labeled Create. This is where you'll begin building your new automation flow from scratch. Once you click Create, a new page will appear showing you different types of flows you can build. For this tutorial, you'll want to click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automation manually or through other events, making it perfect for on-demand URL validation whenever you need it. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to choose how you want to trigger your flow. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow. This option gives you full control over when the validation runs, so you can test URLs whenever necessary without setting up complex scheduling or conditional triggers. After selecting your trigger type, click the Create button to proceed. Power Automate will now generate your new flow with the manual trigger already configured. This sets the foundation for adding the URL validation functionality you need. Now, look for the plus icon in your flow builder. This icon allows you to add new actions to your automation sequence. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type CloudMersive. CloudMersive is a powerful data validation service that integrates seamlessly with Power Automate and offers various validation tools, including URL syntax checking. From the search results that appear, find the option labeled CloudMersive Data Validation and click on See More. This expands the available actions within the CloudMersive connector, giving you access to all its validation capabilities. Next, browse through the expanded list of actions until you find one called Validate a URL Syntactically. This specific action is designed to check whether a URL follows proper syntax rules and formatting standards. Click on this action to add it to your flow. After adding the action, you'll notice an option labeled Advanced Parameters. Click on it to reveal additional configuration options. From the expanded parameters, locate and click on URL. This parameter is where you'll specify which URL you want to validate. Now, in the URL field that appears, input the URL you want to check. You can either type a URL directly, such as https://example.com, or you can use dynamic content from previous steps if you're validating URLs from other sources like forms or databases. And that's it. Your automation is now ready to save and run. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that validates URL syntax using CloudMersive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.